You are planning your next trip abroad but worried about the language barrier? Don't worry. In this video, we'll cover some essential English phrases to help you communicate confidently in any travel and tourism. So let's get started with the video. Now I will try to show you some examples of phrases at the airport. For example, where is the check-in counter? How much luggage am I allowed to carry? Could you please help me with the direction to gate number 12? And could you show me the pathway to the airport? When you are at the airport, you might need to ask for help. So you can say that could you help me with this kind of phrase. Now I will try to show you what phrases to use on the plane. For example, could I have a glass of water please? And the most important phrases is would you help me going to the lavatory? And another one is could you please help me to get binding bell? So these are the common phrases used on the plane. So keep practicing and you will be able to learn many more. In the hotel, we often use I have a reservation under the name Sakil. And in restaurant, we often use could I see the menu please? When you are at the dining out, here are some polite ways to communicate with the staff like would you please come here? Would you please take the order? And some very polite request would you please give me the order first? In shopping, essentials question: how much does it cost? When you are shopping in a new country, you will need these phrases. Asking for direction in the foreign countries, important phrases like excuse me, could you tell me how to get it? Exploring a new city, don't hesitate to ask for direction. Using this phrase is very commonly used. So these are the simple phrases that we use in shopping, asking for direction, and moreover I would like to say in shopping you can also use can I get it in ease? Safe travels, don't forget to subscribe. And traveling to a new city is exciting. Remember to participate and practice these phrases and enjoy your trip. Safe travels and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel.